Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Online Business Entrepreneur. Today, we're gonna see how to make a $20 over and over again with easy method. Stay tuned for more. Okay, guys, in this website, we're gonna talk about stringn.com. This website is a probably new website to make $12 per thousand visitor. It's like a copy and paste. Let's see how it will work. First, you need to create an account by click sign up here right over there and shorten your link and earn money. This is easy, guys, just easy. Let's talk about why this. Shorten is a free tool to make lots of money with this, guys, and they have a referral program also. You can make even more money with this. Just you can refer the people. You can earn 25% of their lifetime income. Can make lots of money guys with. It's also over at 2918 from referral program, the best website. It is also DDL live tax or many. You can use any kind of professional work to make this happen, and you have also $5 a minimum withdrawal payment. At least you need at least a PayPal account to withdraw this, and you need at least $5 to withdraw this money, guys. And this has support 24/7 customer support. If you any doubt, you can ask anything with the support, guys. It has also have a high CPM rate. You have $20 per thousand visitors. Sounds like a good. Let's check how's the good sound. There are 27 million total clicks and 7,000 total links were shared, guys, and almost 1 lakh registered people. And if you have any doubt, send them the message through this. And they have many more companies work with the string in company, guys. PayPal, Pay, Money, Bitcoin, bank transfer. Let's check the pay rates. How's the pay rates look like? This is the pay rate, guys. Just you get lots of payout from Greenland. $20. Greenland, guys, easy Greenland. You can get $20. Minimum withdraw $5. As I told you here, minimum withdraw $5. You can withdraw within 12 hours, guys. Frequently, you can withdraw via PayPal, WebMoney, Payoneer, Skrill, or UPay bank transfer, any kind of payment method. You can withdraw. You can also United States. Man, lots of traffics come from United States, Iceland, San Marino, lots of countries over here, guys. It's available worldwide, but below the Finland, the CPM goes down and down, guys. Visitor must be unique within 24 hours. Must view your website for at least 10 seconds, guys. This is the rules. Visitor must have JavaScript enabled. Visitor must have cookie enabled. These are the rules and regulation for this website, guys. You ask me how I get a traffic, how I get the shortened link. It's easy, guys. Get a traffic. Just you need a problem solved thing. Just go to YouTube or anywhere. Just how to create blog. Just enter, guys, how to create a blog. Just click and copy the link, guys. As easy as copy and paste. Just as I told, 3-step process, guys. Just a 3-step process. Just go over here and paste it over there, guys. It's easy method. And click Unnot Robot and click here. You get shortened link. First you need to sign up, guys. As I told, it's the easiest method to make money, guys. It's easy way to make money, lots of money. I hope this video helps everyone to make a good amount of money, guys. It's easy money and lots of money you can make with this. Just it's paste anywhere in the internet, or just go to reddit.com, or you can paste reddit.com on anywhere. Just paste over Reddit.com. Reddit.com is the best traffic source to make lots of money, guys. Reddit.com, just to go paste your short and link, guys, right over here to make lots of money with this. I hope this video helps you a lot to make money, good amount of money, easy money. Hope you enjoy this video. Leave a like, comment, share with your friends, and don't leave without subscribing, guys. Thanks for watching. Make money online. Peace.